Alright, the next problem asks about arm spans, and it says, according to the ancient Roman architect Vitruvius, a person's arm span is approximately equal to his or her height. It says, for example, people 5 feet tall tend to have an arm span of 5 feet. It says, explain then why the distribution of arm spans for a class containing roughly equal numbers of men and women might be bimodal. Okay, so arm spans of a class of men and women why is it bimodal? Why might it be bimodal? Okay, so bimodal, if we talk about that, bimodal means we've got 2 peaks. Alright, so we got something that looks like this, like a camel's back, and it would have 2 peaks, okay, and so this is arm span. So this over here would be people with short arm spans, and this would be long arm span. Okay, so probably down here something like 4 feet 10 inches, and over here this might be 6 foot 4 inches or something. You know, some people might have arm spans that are even longer. LeBron James or whoever, Kobe Bryant, any basketball player will have very long arm spans and can handle the ball very well. But in a class, we probably won't have anybody the height of LeBron James or Kobe Bryant or anything like that. But this peak here could be a peak for men. Right, for men. And then we might see another peak for the women. So you typically have men typically tend to be taller and would then have longer arm spans than women, and women there's probably going to be this would be the average arm span of a woman. Some women will be taller or have longer arm spans, while over here we would also, this would be a combination of men with shorter arm spans than the average man, but women with longer arm spans than the average woman. Okay, and over here would be most likely just the men who have very long arm spans, or one woman who has a highly unusually long arm span. Over here just the opposite, women who have short arm spans, or men who have highly unusually short arm spans. So this probably there's an underlying distribution among each of these. Symmetric ones underneath, but because when you add them you get something that's peaked. Okay, so basically why might it be bimodal? You got 2 peaks, 1 peak for men and 1 peak for women.